Hardware Resources offers a creative way to make the most of your drawer space with this two-tier double cutlery drawer. This double cutlery drawer replaces most standard existing drawers and also has the option of push-to-open slide on the inner drawer. Hardware Resources. Organization made simple. If using a variable speed screw gun with clutch to install your new organizer, make sure it is set to a lower setting. Remove your drawer where you plan to install your new organizer and remove the drawer front. Measure and install drawer front on the new Cutlery drawer. Remove the undermount drawer clips from your old drawer or install new undermount drawer clips. Pull the undermount guides out of the drawer opening and place your new organizer on the slides and push the drawer closed, making sure the drawer clips fully engage. Test the drawer's closing action and make necessary adjustments. If equipped, test the push-to-open slides by squeezing the top drawer forward and releasing. To close the top drawer, pull drawer all the way forward until slides engage.